So we got lucky today, guys. We're actually gonna go to a parts place here in the San Fernando Valley that is actually going out of business, that has a bunch of Porsche parts. So we're gonna see if we can get a lot of stuff for very, very cheap because it's going out of business. So definitely gonna check that out. We're gonna take you guys over there, show you everything that they have, and see what we can get for ourselves for this car, so we can actually do a cheap build, which would be super crazy, and get OEM front bumper, back bumper, the sides, rims. Let's see what we can get over there. So let's take you over there and see what they have. We just arrived to Los Angeles Dismantler. Now this place carries nothing but Porsche parts, and they're going out of business, as you can see, like I said earlier. Now we're gonna go inside and purchase a lot of parts and try to get them super cheap to resell and to put on our 996 as well. So we're gonna go walk inside, see what they have. I'm gonna show you guys some videos of what's inside, and we're gonna just go hunt for parts and rare parts. Hopefully have some rare carbon parts. That'd be fire, or even some cup parts. So we're gonna go inside now. So right now we're hunting for parts. I'm gonna buy some stuff in bulk, looking for stuff for the 996. So you guys can definitely get at me, because I'm definitely gonna be buying a lot of product today. They have some air-cooled doors here that I'm gonna possibly buy some for the vintage models. So I'll probably buy 10 of these air-cooled doors. Definitely headlights, tail lights, maybe some hoods. They have a bunch of doors, guys. Now they're probably gonna only be around for maybe a couple more days, so I got lucky to get some stuff here cheap for my own car and for what they have here. So they got some fenders, so many doors. Look at how many doors they have coming down. So he already started giving me prices on this. If I buy in bulk, from the air cooled to the regular ones as well, and you know, hood and trunk lids as well. Man, this is just like heaven right here for Porsche parts, and we're lucky they're going out of business. So I'm just definitely gonna buy some stuff for my own car, buy some stuff to resell. So we'll get it. So right here at the dismantler, walking around seeing everything that they have here. We're definitely going to purchase a lot of parts today as well, not only for my 996 but to sell on eBay for you guys as well. So you guys definitely check that out, because I'm definitely buying a lot of stuff bulk here. Now they have a lot of stuff. I'm going to keep on showing you guys around and showing you everything that they have, because this is going to be an epic video before this business closed down. So I got so lucky for this. So they have chassis as well and pre-builts here. It's crazy. If you guys want to, all this is for sale, guys. Everything here is for sale. Look at all this. So many Porsche parts. This is like Porsche heaven. That is crazy. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna buy yet, but I'm trying to buy as much as I can for bulk. So we will see what we can get here. But look at all these parts here. Hood. Got some other Porsche parts here. Now they're only going to be around for a couple days, so I think when I release this video, this place will no longer be here, because from what I understand, they're only going to be open for another couple days, and they don't even know. They're literally cleaning everything out. A lot of buyers have came in trying to buy some stuff. Got myself that's going to buy some stuff, and then, you know, Right here we got the steering wheels. I go in, see here with a bunch of other parts here. They have so many different parts, calipers. Just going down these aisles because I don't know what they have here. The rears, 996s, suspension. Mufflers, transmissions, engines. So many other parts right here. This is a bunch of stuff that we're purchasing today. Filling up the back and filling up this U-Haul right here. I'm gonna fill up this U-Haul with a bunch of parts, guys. So if you guys need some Porsche parts, I'm gonna be getting a bunch of parts to sell, buying in bulk. So here we are in the front again. But we're definitely filling up a bunch of stuff from back, even inside the truck. We're gonna fill up everything that we can here.
8-hour days, fuck yeah. Crazy. Made it happen, bro.